With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, a parallel plate capacitor with the circular plate of the radius capital R is being charged as shown. At the instant shown, the displacement current in the region between the plates enclosed between R by 2 and R is given by. Okay, then firstly, this is a parallel plate capacitor in a circular having the radius is capital R. Okay, capital R. And we have to find the total displacement current enclosed between the radius R by 2 and R. Okay, and this is a circle having the radius is R by 2, and we have to find the value of the displacement current in this region. Okay, and this can be solved with the help of unit method. Okay, if the area of the plate is pi r square, if the area of the plate is pi r square, then current is flow in this direction is I d. Okay, and in this case this is I. Okay, then if the area is 1 unit, then the displacement current is I upon pi r square. Okay, and if the area is pi r by 2 to the whole square, then total current flow, and this is equal to I by pi r square into pi r by 2 to the whole square. And current flow, displacement current flow between the R by 2 and R, and this is equal to I into pi r square by 4 upon pi r square. Okay, and when we solve, then we get pi and pi is cancelled, r square is cancelled, then total displacement current between the region R by 2 and R, and this is equal to I by 4. Okay, and I by 4 is the right answer of this question. And when we see the option of this question, then option B is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.